Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I fill my eyebrows in using eyeshadow. I get a lot of questions on how I fill my brows in, and I thought, for my first video back, I should show you guys how I do them. You really do not need to spend a lot of money on eyebrow products. You can just use eyeshadow, any eyeshadow that matches your brows. I definitely go darker with my brows because I feel like blondes can pull off a darker brow. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I get these brows, then keep watching. Okay, so for the first step, you're just gonna brush your brows downwards and then just outline the top arch. Just kind of like get a nice outline and then work your way down to the tail. And then you're gonna brush your brow hairs up. And I find by like brushing the brow hairs up and down, you kind of get like a clearer vision of like what you're filling in. So then continue to fill in the tail and then work your way to the bottom edge. And then push the product up to fill in the rest of the brow. This is like the fastest, easiest way to fill in your brows. And then blend the product out with a brush, and yeah, that is it. So now I'm just gonna do it on this side in fast forward motion. Super easy, super quick. And I know filling in brows can be a hassle, but this is a good way to do it because, gets the job done good and fast. So that is it. That is my brow tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.